Today we're underneath the 1969 Mercedes-Benz 6.3 Euro, going to point out a few of the highlights. Start off with the time valve stainless steel exhaust system. It was painted black to have the OEM look, but it is completely stainless steel, so it's the best of both worlds. All four air suspension valves are new, as well as all four airbags. Now these were taken out of the car, completely disassembled and rebuilt. New airbags. New Bilsteins all four corners. New short style fuel pump. Rebuilt the calipers, new pads, new rotors, new trailing arm mounts. Very solid underneath. Don't see any areas that need welding. Correct floor indentations. See the floors there. Numbers matching transmission as well as numbers matching engine. We'll have the data card posted. You can see the bags there. A lot of new steering parts on the car. There's one of the front valves there for the air suspension, as well as there. New bags and assemblies in the front. Had the radiator record. New motor mounts, which is a big job on this car. You can see the brakes in here. You can see the floors. New fuel tank in the back. There you have it.